Use Excel for W-2 form printing. W-2 is a form that contains the annual salary of an employee as well as the total taxes deducted from his income. This form is accomplished and sent by the employer to the employees for reference at the end of each year. This is done regardless if you are running a small, medium, or large company. It is the company's responsibility to file this and share the information to each employee no matter how challenging and long the computation can be. To save time and cost, big companies purchase software applications that will make the computation for their hundreds of employees. But if you are running a small company, it may not be practical to buy such software. You can simply use Microsoft Excel to make the W-2 form printing. Here's how it's done. Things you will need for W-2 form computation and printing: desktop computer or laptop with internet connection, Microsoft Excel 2003 to 2007. Prepare your tools. For this W-2 form printing guide, you will need to have the Microsoft Excel installed on your computer or laptop, preferably version 2003 to 2007. You will also need internet connection for certain information throughout the steps below. Get employee records. Most of the companies nowadays have computerized system for employee records, including payroll system. Make sure you have the necessary information with you before you start. Also, visit the Internal Revenue Service or the IRS website to know how much tax was paid by each employee. Create a W-2 form. There are several samples of W-2 form available. If you have internet connection, you can browse through different samples and create one specifically for your company using spreadsheet applications such as Microsoft Excel. There are also templates readily available for download and use to make life even easier for you. Once the download has been completed, double-click on the template icon for installation. Use a Microsoft Excel template. Launch your Microsoft Excel and click on File from the top menu bar. This will present a list of menu items. Click on the New command. This will prompt a window that will ask you whether you want to use a blank workbook, or use from the templates listed. Click on the Installed Templates menu from the leftmost column. This should display the W-2 template you have previously downloaded and installed. Click on this and select the Create button. Accomplish the form. Now that you have a template to work with, get the records of each employee and fill out the fields. This will be the longest part of all. But do not rush this step. it is important that all the data and values you put here are correct. The template will automatically calculate all the information supplied, so it is imperative that there be no typo errors, especially on the amount and percentages. Print the accomplished W-2 form. Once done, double-check the data encoded before you print. Click on the File command again from the top menu bar, and then choose Print from the list. After printing all the forms, take time to recheck the data if need be before releasing the form to employees.